Hi there, this is James. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this set up. It's very simple. So within 24 hours, you'll be getting this email right here. Let's just move my camera over so you can see. So we've got, here is your personal email code. And then below that in bold, you'll have your personal email code. Okay, so I've got full instructions on this video, but what I want you to do is copy this email code. Okay, so we're going to copy this over. Now, this isn't yours, of course. This is another one of my clients, but this is just for demonstrational purposes. So this is their website, and down here we've got their form. Let's move this video back into the corner. Now, they've built this website on a website builder called Weebly. Weebly is very similar to Square. Now, I think they're actually owned by the same company. So all you need to do is go into the back end of your form. It doesn't matter what builder you're on, it's all the same. It doesn't matter how your form looks, as long as you have the phone number. Okay, so as long as your form has a phone number on it for the customer to fill out, as long as the customer fills in a valid phone number, this system will work. So what I want you to do is go into the back end of your form. So right here, as you can see, they've got treeservicelancing@gmail.com. Okay, this is their current email. So what we're going to do is we're going to go before that email, we are going to add the email code that I gave you. So just 1 second. So we're going to do, it might be easier if we do a space first. So we do a space and then we're going to paste in the email code and we're going to add a comma. Okay, so this is important. We need to make sure that the email code that I give you, you put in correctly. There's no there's no spelling errors or anything like that. And then after it, we've got the comma, and then you've got a full stop. Oh, sorry, you've got the email code, a comma, and then a space, and then your current email. The reason we're doing this is this email code is going to trigger the system so you get the call. But of course, we still want you to get the emails like you always have, because the email that you've got on this email form is where currently all the emails, all the form inquiries are being sent to, right? So we want to keep that happening, but we also want to put in this email code to trigger this system. So if you put the email code, a comma, space, and then your current email, this system will work. So I hope that makes sense. But that's all you need to do. Okay, that is all we need to do here. And then of course we just need to hit save. Now, just because that kind of bounced a bit, I just want to double check that that was filled in correctly. Okay, so here we check again. Okay, I've opened up something else. Let's go to form options. Okay, so there you go. You got treeservicelancing@callsling.com, comma, space, and then their current email that they want the forms to also be submitted to. Okay, so as I said, we just hit save, and then they would hit publish, and then once that's done, it's all up and running. A lot of builders are very similar to this. I don't know which builder you're using specifically, but it's the same. So just to give another example, for my family's website right here, which is a carpet shop in England, we have this form. Again, the form does not need to change. We got the phone number right here for customers to fill in. And when they hit submit, this will trigger the system. But what we need to do is go into the back end. Now, this was built on WordPress. This isn't built on Square. It isn't built on um, Weebly or other platforms like that. So this is built on WordPress. It's a little bit more technical, but it's the same thing. All we need to do is go into the back end of the form, which it's just loading. I apologize. The video of me in the corner keeps disappear, and it's because every time I refresh the page, that video also needs to reload. So we go into edit. So we are editing the form on the website. And by the way, you can do this on multiple forms. You don't have to do it on just one form. So you can do it on multiple forms on your website, which I also recommend. And if you wish, you can do it on, if you own multiple websites or you have different forms in different areas of the internet, as long as the customer has the option to fill in the phone number, this system will work. Okay. You can use the same email address. It will all get forwarded to the same number. Okay, so down here for our company, we've got all the form inquiries are going to carpetselectltd@gmail.com. But now we want to trigger this system. So our personal um, email code is carpetselectltd@callsling.com. And then a comma and a space. And then, of course, we just check that I filled that in correctly. So carpetselectltd@callsling.com. That's correct. And then I press save. And once this is saved, it's done. That's all you need to do. So let's just go back to the email just to confirm some things. So this is the email. As I said, you'll get this email within about 24 hours. Please do not, of course, please do not take this email that I've got here, the tree service Lansing. This is, of course, not your email code. This is just to give an example. But I'll go through this email just to make everything super clear so there's no problems. But I've got, here is your personal email code. And then below in bold is your personal email code. And then below that, I've got the instructions. So copy that email code that's in bold. Step 2, paste the email code in the back end of your form. And remember to add a comma right after it and then a space. And then step 3, you're done. All I'd say is just check that it's working. If it isn't working, if you're not getting the call, wait for 2 minutes just to be sure. But if you're not getting a call within about a minute, then it's probably not working. But all you need to do is go into your website, fill in the form like you would as a customer, make sure you put in your mobile number or whatever number you want it to go to, but make sure you put in a valid number and then hit submit. And if it's not working and you have filled in the email correctly, the email code onto your website, double check it's saved, double checked you put in the email, the comma, the space, and then your current email. If you've definitely done it correctly, please contact me, okay? Because it's possible that something's wrong on my end, but it should be working. So just check everything's okay on your end, and if it's not, if it is definitely okay, then please contact me and I'll look into it. And then below that, of course, I've got the option to watch this current video that I'm recording right now. And below that, I explain if you need any help, please don't hesitate to contact me on WhatsApp. And there is my personal number for WhatsApp. This is my personal number. So please feel free, if you do have any issues, to contact me, or you can email me, of course. But that's it. So again, any issues, please contact me. This is very simple to set up, and this will work, and I'm sure it will make a massive difference to your company. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.